You've probably heard of National Signing Day, where athletes sign letters of intent to play for their future college. CLTCC has adopted the same model with their Advanced Manufacturing Technician, or AMT program, in which students sign letters of intent with manufacturing companies.
This is recognized as one of the best workforce type programs in the country, this model, the Advanced Manufacturing Technician. So for us, it's been a tremendous boon for our local area in central Louisiana to have a program like this start.
My goal is to become an engineer and eventually work my way up into management. So by getting that experience, I'll have that knowledge on what I'm actually working with and be a better engineer in the future.
Students that complete the program receive an associate's degree in engineering technology plus a technical certificate. From there, they can go to work full-time with their sponsor or continue their education.